How to draw a reindeer. Hello and welcome to a very special how to draw video. To celebrate Christmas, we're going to draw a reindeer. First, we'll sketch out some basic shapes for the picture, using a pencil or light crayon. Then we'll draw the final lines in a pen or darker pencil. So, let's start with the guide shapes. Just below the middle of the page, making sure to leave space for our reindeer's antlers, draw a sort of bean shape. This will be the body. Now, draw a circle for the head, above and to the left of the body. On the bottom left of that circle, draw an oval, which will help us draw the reindeer's mouth and nose. Draw a couple of curved lines up from the head for the antlers, and then add one or two more lines coming off the main antlers. These little bits are called branches. Draw a sort of teardrop shape coming off the side of the head for an ear, and another similar shape on top of the head where we'll draw a little tuft of hair. Now, let's give our reindeer some legs. Draw a long rectangular shape for one of the front legs. Repeat that shape for the two rear legs as well. For the other front leg, we're going to have the reindeer lifting up his hoof. So draw a sort of L shape downward from the body, and then draw the bottom of the hoof, and then another bent line back up to the body. We only need one more thing, a tail. With all our guidelines done, we can now start drawing the final line work. Grab your pen and let's get started. We're going to start with the antlers. Going up from the head shape, draw around the branches and main antler line, making a nice rounded antler. Do the same on the other side as well. Now, draw around the oval and up the head shape to make the mouth, nose and forehead. Stop the line where we'll draw the hair tuft. Underneath the right side antler, draw an ear, and then a line from the back of the hair tuft shape, going behind the antler and ear and stopping here. Back at the top of the head, draw a fluffy tuft of hair like so. Now, draw a long line from the head all the way along to the back to reach the tail. Then, from under our reindeer's chin, draw a line for the neck and chest that stops at the standing front leg. For the leg, draw a line that overlaps the chest. You can make the line squidge in a bit in the middle if you want, to make the hoof look more hoofy. Then draw a line for the tummy that stops at the back leg. Draw the same sort of shape for that leg as you did for the front. And again for the other back leg, only make sure you don't overlap the tummy line this time. Then, a line goes up from the back leg to meet the tail. And now draw a nice fluffy tail similar to how you drew the tuft on the head. For the front leg, follow the guidelines to make our reindeer hold his hoof in the air. We're almost done, but this reindeer still needs some details adding. An eye. I've given them a closed happy eye, but you can draw it open if you like. Then a smile curving upwards to another little line. And of course, we need to give our reindeer a nose. And how about a Christmassy collar with a jingly bell? Now, just add some fur details around the mouth, the eye, the body, and the tail. Lastly, add some details to show where the hooves are, and there we go. Rub out your guidelines and this Christmassy reindeer is all ready to help pull Father Christmas's sleigh. Try colouring your reindeer in. You can use pens, crayons, glitter, anything you'd like. Have a very Merry Christmas everyone!